Our 25-step process tells the client straight up. It's transparent and it's detailed. It tells them exactly what we're going to do for them, and it tells them how they can best prepare to get the best possible paint job from us.
From preparation to post cleanup, you'll be in the loop every step of the way when you choose Integrity Painting.
I believe that what's most important about a paint job is the prep. We protect all your floors with drop sheets. If we're dealing with your hardwood floors in particular, may mean we're going to put cardboard down to make sure that it's completely protected. Your furniture, we're going to cover that with poly to make sure that it's covered. You know, if we're creating a lot of dust in your home, we're going to make sure that your furnace is turned off potentially. Your HVAC doesn't kick in because that can create problems for your furnace. I believe that protecting our clients' furniture and their property is very important, and we take that very seriously at Integrity Painting.
Then, Ron and the team always look for ways to make sure you're as comfortable as possible during the painting process.
Simple things like, for example, hey, let's do the master bedroom first. The clients are taken care of. They can sleep comfortably while the rest of their house is being painted. And what about if, we got to use some smelly stuff, right? Okay, we're going to do that when they're away. We're going to try to do it when they're away. We're going to clean up at the end of the day. If we're going to be there for more than a week, we're going to make sure that come the weekend, that place is cleaned up and they can enjoy life as they normally do over the weekend.
Many clients also choose to go on vacation while their house is being painted.
Before they leave, obviously, we want to make sure they're going to meet the crew. They're going to feel comfortable with the crew. We're going to make sure we have all the colors. And then they go off and they have a great time on their vacation. They come back and their home is looking beautiful.
Once the job is done, you're going to want to show it off. So we take post-cleanup seriously.
Post-cleanup is very important to us here at Integrity Painting. That means we're going to clean up at the end of the day, and we're going to clean up when the job is done. It means that you're not going to find our garbage in your dumpster because we're going to take it out of there. We want you to be just as happy with the cleanup as you are with the whole painting process.
While the team is cleaning up, every project ends with a full inspection.
My production manager is going to come by. He's going to make sure that everything has been taken care of. We don't accept final payment for any painting project that we do until it meets our standards. The client's completely happy. We promise them the most thorough painting job that they've ever seen, or we'll repaint for free. And that guarantee, it keeps us all on our toes here at Integrity Painting, making sure that our clients get the best possible paint job all the time, every time.
Book your free estimate today at integritypainting.ca.
We don't cut corners. We paint them.